Welcome to day 229 of my 365 days of laughter every day. We're talking about being a firework. Let's see what you're worth. Laughter yoga just really lifts your mood. It helps to lower blood pressure. It increases your lung capacity, boosts your immunity. It lowers all the stresses in your life, and it just feels lovely. And you know, if you're a firework, you're sharing that. You're exploding all the joy and happiness around the world to people. Isn't that wonderful? So be a firework. For health, happiness, and world peace. Keep laughing. It's so good for you.